Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this cute look. It's a simple look. I just wanted to feel very pretty and put together. So this is the look that I created. If you like the way that it looks, then just keep on watching. I am moisturizing my face right now and I'm using my e.l.f. SUPERHYDRATE moisturizer, like a super hydrating moisturizer. I'm going to try to use my ABH brow freeze today on my brows, and then I'm just going to be using this spoolie. I'm just gonna take a little bit because last time I tried to use it, it was turning whitish by the end of the day, and this shit is expensive. I don't think you should be doing that. And then I'm just trying to brush my hairs up. Yeah, I don't think this is working out for me today. But you know what, I don't think this ever actually works for me whenever my brows are like these. So I'm going to definitely try this out whenever I get my eyebrows done. I think it's going to look a lot better. But yeah, I feel like I see the point. Although I'm going to try to wax my brows or maybe just shave them or something. And then I'm going to try using that product. I think it's going to work out better like that. I think for me, personally, I think that's the way it works. Yeah, so I'm trying to, right now, just fix this shit up using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Right now, I'm just going to try cleaning them up, and I'm going to be using my COLOURPOP concealer in shade 90W. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and use my BH Cosmetics number 5 brush and just try to blend this out a little bit. My eyebrows are a piece of garbage. They look so bad. Okay, so apparently I cannot talk right now because I've been trying to say this sentence for the last 3 minutes, but it's whatever. My brows are looking kind of decent. I'm not expecting too much from them because obviously I need to wax them or tweeze them or whatever. But guess what? I'm not going to do that right now. And for eyes, call me crazy, but I'm just going to be using this palette today. This is the Contour Kit by ABH, and I'm going to start using this color in the middle. It's like a cool tone color, and I'm going to start contouring my eye. And then I'm just using this same brush. I literally wash my brushes. I just have 2 or 3 of them that have actual colors because I did the rainbow look for Pride Month the other day for work. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and then I'm just going to put this on my a little bit above that. I feel so much happier about the fact that I finally started doing YouTube. And honestly, my Instagram game has gone to shit because I just need to find a schedule, yeah, I'm gonna take Instagram pictures and then I'm actually have to film my YouTube videos and stuff, but I think I'm going to figure it out. But yeah, I feel right now I am in such a better headspace, and it's great. I like going to work because there's people my age, and I am socializing with other people. Right now I'm using this color right here, and I'm trying to create kind of a cut crease situation but with powder, because it's daytime right now and I'm just going to work, so I don't want to do anything too crazy. I don't want it to be as dramatic. This is looking kind of crazy, and I don't want the edges to be so defined, so I'm going to take the same brush that I was using before and just go over these edges. And then I'm just going to do a little tiny wing, and I'm going to be using my NYX Epic Ink liner in shade black. And then I'm just going to do my eyeliner. And it's looking kind of good. I'm just going to go ahead and move on to lashes right now. You guys are gonna fucking kill me if you watch my other videos because I'm going to use the same lashes because these are my new obsession. I just love them. and I'm going to be using them today again. And I'm going to be applying the same glue, my Kiss Clear Lash Glue. This is my favorite one, my two favorites right here. And I am going to apply some mascara today as well. And I'm going to be using the same one, my MAC mascara, the new one. I've been obsessed with this too, so if there's something that you should buy from this video, is this mascara. Go to Ulta Beauty and buy this mascara. I'm going to go ahead and use my primer from SMASHBOX. This is the Vitamin Glow primer. I haven't used primers in so long, but like I got this one and I'm obsessed. It's really good. So I have a lot of like redness around my face, but I'm going to use a little bit of my LA Girl concealer in shade green. It's just like the correcting concealer for the red spots. I'm going to go ahead and blend this with the same brush that I blend my concealer on my face, because on my eyes, sorry, because I'm going to watch this brush again tomorrow, because I'm trying to just keep them clean, because sometimes I use them on my clients as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation in 290. I'm going to go ahead and use my highlight / contour. I'm going to be using my Tarte concealer and then my Makeup Revolution concealer in C14. I think that's not the right shade for me because it's more like a cool tone and definitely not the right shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply this one, just like the tiniest bit. I think I'm just going to apply it there and on my forehead. I don't want to apply it on my jawline. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and blend my contour first, and I'm doing my nose first. Never do my nose first, but since I'm just using a little bit of this today, I'm just going to do my nose first. I'm going to go ahead and blend my sheen highlight or concealer. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out. Next step is just setting my face. I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder in shade translucent honey. I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge. It's funny because my boyfriend got this sponge for me. I never really use it. I use the brushes that came with it, but not the sponge. And I know a lot of people swear by it, but I don't even know. I'm going to go ahead and just use the same palette for my face. I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm going to bake my face a little bit today. I'm going to be using this sponge that I got from I don't know where. I'll stain this off right now because I don't want to bake for a really long time. Right now, I'm just going to apply my blush, and I'm going to be using my Kylie Cosmetics blush in shade Rosy. This is like my favorite one. And I'm just going to dust off this powder off my nose right now. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to be using this OFRA makeup fixer. I got this at work. I'm going to set my eyebrows right now. I'm going to be using my ABH brow gel in shade Ebony, and I'm going to just brush them up. I'm going to be using my favorite one again, and I'm just going to apply this on the tip of my nose. And then I'm just going to apply this over here, and then I'm just going to apply over here where I created that kind of like shape to like open up my eye. I'm just gonna take it here because I feel like it does opens up my eyes, and I love the effect that it creates. Then last but not least, I'm going to be doing my lips, and I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place lip liner in shade Sweet Nothing. For the actual lipstick, I'm going to be using my NYX one in shade, I don't know, oh, Baby Doll. And then, so this is the look, you guys. If you like the way that it looks, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you can see whenever I'm posting another video. And thank you always for watching.